The world of modern machinery has seen extraordinary advances in recent years, redefining the limits of what is possible. These massive machines are not just feats of engineering, they are the backbone of many industries. Their size, power, and complexity are often hard to believe. From colossal mining excavators to skyscraper-reaching cranes, these modern machineries shape the infrastructure of our world. In this video, we'll explore world's advanced and biggest machinery. Before that, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates. Let's begin. One of the most iconic giants in the world of machinery is the Bagger 293, a bucket wheel excavator manufactured by TAKRAF in Germany. Standing at 315 feet tall and stretching 738 feet long, this behemoth weighs an astonishing 31.3 million pounds. The Bagger 293 is designed for massive earth-moving tasks, capable of excavating 8.475 million cubic feet of earth per day. Its enormous wheel, measuring 71 feet in diameter, is equipped with 18 buckets that can each hold over 1,400 gallons. Despite its size, Bagger 293 moves at a leisurely pace of about 3/4 of a mile per hour. Its intricate network of rotating buckets moves with precision and force, feeding raw materials into its system, allowing for non-stop operation. Despite its colossal size, the Bagger 293's operation is highly efficient, making it one of the most valuable assets in open-pit mining and wind farm construction. In construction, the Liebherr LTM 11200-9.1, one of the world's largest mobile cranes, stands as an engineering masterpiece. Cranes have always been vital in the construction of tall buildings and large infrastructures, but the Liebherr takes this necessity to another level. With a boom length of 100 meters, 328 feet, it can lift weights exceeding 1,200 tons. Imagine trying to lift a large passenger jet. This crane can do that effortlessly. It's often used in the construction of wind turbines, bridges, and skyscrapers, reaching heights and lifting loads that previous generations of cranes could never have dreamed of handling. Another remarkable piece of machinery is the Prelude FLNG, floating liquefied natural gas, which holds the title for the world's largest floating gas platform. Built by Royal Dutch Shell, Prelude measures 1,601 feet long and weighs over 600,000 tons. It operates approximately 120 miles off the coast of Australia and has been designed to extract natural gas from underwater reserves. The platform's construction involved more than 260,000 tons of steel and has an estimated cost of around $12.6 billion. Prelude not only represents a significant technological achievement, but also exemplifies efforts to harness natural resources sustainably. In construction and earth-moving, the Letourneau L2350 stands out as the largest earth mover ever built. With a bucket capacity equivalent to 5 standard dump trucks, it can lift up to 80 tons of material at once. The L2350 is powered by a massive diesel engine that produces around 2,300 horsepower, enabling it to tackle even the toughest jobs on construction sites or in mining operations. Its tires alone are impressive, standing at 13 feet tall and 5 feet wide. The Belazy 75710, a dump truck designed for mining, holds the title of the largest haul truck in the world. It has a payload capacity of 450 metric tons, meaning it can transport nearly 500,000 kilograms of materials in a single trip. The truck's four-wheel drive system and advanced suspension allow it to operate in the most demanding environments, like deep open-pit mines, often hauling loads up steep inclines. The amount of raw material that can be moved in just one trip makes this truck a game-changer in mining logistics, reducing the time and labor required to transport vast quantities of earth and minerals. The SK6000, the world's largest electric crane, represents a significant advancement in lifting technology. Capable of lifting components weighing up to 3,300 tons to heights of over 721 feet, this crane is designed for large-scale projects such as offshore wind installations. Its all-electric operation not only reduces carbon emissions, but also enhances efficiency in lifting operations. The SK6000's design incorporates advanced engineering principles to ensure stability and precision during operation. Maritime transportation also has its own fleet of giants. One of the biggest engineering wonders on the seas is the Pioneering Spirit, the largest construction vessel in the world. This ship is an offshore construction behemoth, measuring 382 meters, 1,253 feet, in length and 124 meters, 407 feet, wide. It's used primarily for installing and removing large oil and gas platforms. One of its most impressive features is its ability to lift and transport entire sections of platforms, weighing up to 48,000 tons in one go. The ship's design incorporates a twin-hull structure that gives it the stability and capacity required to carry such immense loads. Its operations are essential for maintaining and decommissioning offshore installations, helping countries move toward cleaner energy sources by safely dismantling aging fossil fuel platforms. The Bertha Tunnel Boring Machine TBM, used to dig tunnels, is a perfect example of how technology can push the limits of what we can achieve underground. Used in the Seattle Tunnel Project, Bertha was one of the largest tunnel boring machines in the world, with a diameter of 57.5 feet. Tunneling machines like Bertha not only drill through soil and rock, but also install the tunnel lining as they move forward, making them a one-stop solution for creating underground transportation corridors. Bertha's precision allowed it to navigate under urban infrastructure without disturbing the city above.
Any list of distinct metropolitan skylines would have to include Seattle, dominated by its Space Needle. But it's what's going on below ground that is making news there now. John Blackstone gives us a look at a drilling project that is a marvel of modern construction.
The overburden conveyor bridge F60 is an unbelievable engineering marvel. This massive conveyor system is used primarily in coal mining operations to transport waste material away from mining sites. Weighing approximately 13,600 metric tons and measuring over 1,600 feet long, it holds the record as the longest man-made vehicle in existence. The F60's ability to move vast amounts of material efficiently makes it an essential tool for large-scale mining operations. In agriculture, some of the largest machines are revolutionizing farming. The Big Bud 747, the world's largest tractor, is one such machine. Built for heavy-duty farming tasks, Big Bud has a horsepower rating of 1,100 and weighs over 100,000 pounds. This machine can plow and till vast fields in a fraction of the time it would take smaller tractors, making it a vital asset in large-scale farming operations. By combining immense power with modern GPS technology and automation, Big Bud allows farmers to increase crop production with minimal labor. It's a glimpse into the future of agriculture, where autonomous machines will likely dominate the landscape. The world's modern and largest machinery represents the peak of human engineering. These machines allow industries to achieve tasks on a scale previously unimaginable. Their immense size is matched only by their technological sophistication. As society continues to grow and evolve, these machines will undoubtedly play a crucial role in building the infrastructure of the future. But as we continue to push the boundaries of what is possible, it will be equally important to balance progress with sustainability to contribute to a greener future. That's all for today's video. I hope you liked the video. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching.